Spiders are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Their diversity, behavior, and ecological importance make them both captivating and intimidating. Among these arachnids, the Mygalomorphae spiders, a group that includes tarantulas, trapdoor spiders, and funnel web spiders, stand out for their size, appearance, and unique temperament. Understanding the temperament of Mygalomorphae spiders is crucial for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and anyone interested in keeping these creatures as pets. Their behavior is distinct from most other spider species, and their interactions, feeding habits, and defensive strategies are all part of what makes them extraordinary. The Mygalomorphae are an ancient suborder of spiders, often referred to as primitive spiders. They include some of the largest and most impressive species in the world, such as tarantulas, Theraphosidae, trapdoor spiders, Ctenizidae, funnel web spiders, Atraxidae in Australia. These spiders are characterized by their downward-pointing fangs, robust bodies, and slow, deliberate movements. Unlike Arachniomorph spiders, the modern spiders, Mygalomorphae spiders have long lifespans. Females in some species can live for 20 years or more. But what does this mean for their temperament? Mygalomorphae spiders are almost entirely solitary. They live alone, often in burrows or silk-lined retreats, and only interact with other spiders during mating. They do not seek companionship, and cohabitation with other spiders usually leads to aggression. This solitary behavior is a survival trait. In the wild, sharing space would increase competition for prey and increase risk from predators. Therefore, they are content being alone, and this trait translates into pet ownership. They do not require social interaction. Despite their intimidating size and appearance, Mygalomorphae spiders are generally defensive, not aggressive. When confronted, most will choose to retreat or display warning signals rather than attack immediately. Common defensive behaviors include raising front legs to appear larger, displaying fangs as a warning, flicking urticating hairs in some New World tarantulas. Bites are usually a last resort and typically occur when the spider is provoked or mishandled. Understanding their defensive nature is key to safe interactions. Unlike some small spiders that dart quickly, Mygalomorphae spiders move slowly and deliberately. This makes them seem calm and composed, even when hunting or exploring. Their slow movements are part of their energy-saving strategy. They are ambush predators and rely on stealth rather than speed to catch prey. These spiders are highly territorial. In the wild, each spider maintains a burrow or silk retreat as its territory. They mark this space with silk, chemical cues, and sometimes soil modifications. Intruders are viewed as threats, and encounters with other spiders or animals can trigger defensive posturing or retreat. Many Mygalomorphae spiders are nocturnal. They spend the daytime in their burrows or hidden retreats and become active at night when prey is abundant. This nocturnal temperament influences their feeding and activity patterns, making them fascinating to observe during evening hours. When kept as pets, the temperament of Mygalomorphae spiders can vary slightly depending on species, age, and environment. Here's what to expect. 1. Tarantulas. Generally calm and slow-moving. Adult females tend to be less defensive than males. Some species are more docile, such as the Chilean rose tarantula, while others, like the cobalt blue tarantula, are faster and more defensive. 2. Trapdoor spiders. Extremely shy and reclusive. Rarely leave their burrows even in captivity. Defensive behavior mostly involves retreating into their silk-lined burrow. 3. Funnel web spiders. Highly defensive, especially the Australian species. Can be aggressive if provoked, with potent venom. Requires careful handling and secure enclosures. The temperament of a Mygalomorphae spider in captivity is influenced by several factors. Species. Some species are naturally calm, while others are more defensive or active. Age. Juveniles are often more skittish and prone to defensive posturing. Adults tend to be more settled. Environment. Proper terrarium setup, hiding spots, and substrate can reduce stress and promote calm behavior. Feeding. Regular feeding with appropriate prey keeps spiders healthy and reduces stress-related defensive behaviors. Handling. Minimal handling is advised. Excessive interaction can stress the spider and trigger defensive actions. One of the most rewarding aspects of keeping Mygalomorphae spiders is observing their natural behaviors. Burrowing. Many species spend hours constructing elaborate burrows or silk retreats. Molting. During molting, spiders shed their exoskeleton. This is a vulnerable time, and most Mygalomorphae retreat completely and refuse food. Hunting. They are patient predators, ambushing prey with precision. Watching this slow, deliberate hunting technique is mesmerizing. Webbing. While they don't create large aerial webs like orb weavers, many Mygalomorphae line their burrows or retreats with silk, sometimes adding trip lines to detect prey. These behaviors reveal a temperament that is cautious, patient, and highly adapted to survival in their environment. Due to their defensive nature and, in some cases, venomous capabilities, Mygalomorphae spiders require careful handling. Observe first. Use tools like tongs or soft brushes to move or inspect the spider. Limit handling. These spiders do not enjoy being held. Disturbing them increases stress and triggers defensive actions. Secure enclosures. Ensure tight lids and secure habitats to prevent escape. Research species. Know the natural behavior and potential venom risk before acquiring the spider. Handling should always prioritize safety for both the spider and the keeper. In short, the temperament of Mygalomorphae spiders can be described as defensive. They will warn or retreat before biting. Solitary. They prefer being alone and maintaining territory. Patient and deliberate. Slow movements and ambush hunting are their hallmarks. Nocturnal. Active primarily at night. Species-specific. Some are more docile, others are more defensive. Understanding these traits is crucial for anyone interested in observing or keeping Mygalomorphae spiders. Mygalomorphae spiders are some of the most remarkable arachnids in the world. Their temperament, a combination of patience, territoriality, and defensive instincts, reflects millions of years of evolution. For enthusiasts, these spiders offer a unique window into the world of ancient spiders and their survival strategies. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or simply curious about exotic spiders, studying Mygalomorphae spiders provides valuable insights into behavior, adaptation, and the diverse temperament of arachnids. Observing them teaches patience, respect for solitary creatures, and the art of appreciating nature on its own terms. Their calm but cautious temperament make them fascinating, challenging, and ultimately rewarding to study, whether in the wild or in captivity.